If you're an e-commerce business managing orders through Shopify and using Monday as your CRM, this tutorial is for you. Hey everyone, my name is Lydia and I'm the founder of Workflow Magic. We're a PlatinumMoney.com partner helping businesses automate and scale their operations. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an integration we built between Shopify and Monday.com using Make. Let's take a look at how it works. Whenever a product is added to Shopify, it automatically syncs to a product board in Monday with all the relevant details. I'll go ahead and add a new product in Shopify. Let's call this new product Short Sleeve T-shirts. I'll enter a title, a short description, vendor name, product type, a price of $11, and then set the inventory to 99 units. Once I hit save, the integration kicks in immediately. Within seconds, you'll see that the new product is added into Monday with the product name, price, vendor, inventory, and a direct link back to the product in Shopify. This is a powerful way to keep your operations in sync and reduce manual work. If you're ready to streamline your Shopify workflows with Monday, click the link below to schedule a free discovery call. Thanks for watching.